Nadia here, and I bring to you today a load of mini products. Now, I have done one of these before, and if I remember, I'll link it in the eye, or I'll try and remember to link it down below. Not promising. I've got a full face of minis that I haven't tried before. There's probably one that I really want to say that I'm not sure on. Unless I checked the previous video, I can't remember. But even so, it was one product. Everything else is mini versions. I'm really impressed. I tell you at the end what I'm not that impressed about, but everything else looks absolutely gorgeous. So guys, hopefully you enjoy me with the minis. So guys, I'm going in with this Balance Instant Lift Primer. Not used this before, so it's all coming out. Don't know what it's supposed to instantly lift, but we shall see. Oh, very tacky, extremely tacky. It hasn't really done anything, and it stinks. Doesn't smell nice at all. I've then got the J1 Jelly Pack, and this is for, it just says the makeup gripper. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this, and this is clear. Oh, another very tacky one. And then I have got, for a little bit of glow, it's the Fluid Glow from Lollipops. So this is really dark, but it's going underneath the foundation, so. It's made me golden, guys. It's made me golden, you know. So we'll just have to see how everything applies now. I look like a golden goddess. And the foundation that I will be using is, and I haven't used this at all, this is the Bare Minerals Bare Skin in a mini. Don't know how it's going to come out. I think with such a runny foundation, I'm actually going to go in with my brush. And I was colour matched for this. This looks yellow. It's really hard to get out, I presume, because it's just this, but definitely not full coverage. But this is why I like minis, because then you can actually test them and see if you like them. And then I'm just going to go in with the Beauty Blend, this, and just sort of tap it into my skin. That has just literally gave me low coverage, really low coverage. Don't know if you can build it, so we'll see. No, I'd definitely say this is more low coverage. And then I have got a concealer, but I don't know where it's from. It's one of these packet ones. Right, I'm just taking a little brush. That's too dark. I wonder if it'll cover my little friend. Yeah, it'd be alright for... It's a little bit too pink, this one is. I'm going in with this concealer. It's really thick, and from the colour of it, I'd say it's more of a colour corrector. It's way too dark for my eyes. I'm just gonna blend this in as a colour corrector. It is really thick. To say how thick it was, the coverage isn't brilliant on it, which is really strange. That's not too bad. It's just made me under eyes like my own. I don't think I'd ever use that again. I have got the HOOLA mini bronzer, so I'm going to take it And I'm going to use the foundation brush, and I'm just going to try and do a bit of this. So, oh, that looks nice. I did find that most of my products were cream. I was a little bit shocked. You could definitely cut out your cheeks. That's really pretty. So this is the Benefit tint in the normal one and the Benefit in this one. I am going to put on, I think, this one. Again, I'm going to use my other foundation brush that is clean, and I don't know how you do this. I've never done it before. I'm just gonna put little dots and then blend and hope for the best. So subtle, yeah, still nice but subtle. So that has slightly lifted up that foundation. That's nice. I'm going to keep trying these, I think. Definitely worth giving it a go. For setting under my eyes, I've got the Bare Minerals in Summer Bisque. And I don't know whether this is a full size or not, but I've never used it. It's still all fastened. And I'm like, is this actually a, because I didn't pay full price for this, so that's what was making me think that actually no, it's a tester. Okay, it's actually brightened my under eyes up, which is good because that concealer was dark. That is nice. Obviously these are my first impressions on these products, but I'm definitely gonna try this again. Definitely, not just definitely. So I have got, these are the Iconic London Illuminators. Ooh, they're really gunky-fied. And I know it's a mini, but I know the big ones are like £40. So I'm just going to put a bit on the back of my hand on my beauty blender, just see what we get. I can't see anything yet. So you can see it when you put it on, but blending it. Okay, I can see it on this side now. Must have been because the sun isn't on this side. Look, that Benefit one stained me. And this was in the blush. So I like that as well. I've then got the Bare Minerals mini powder for all over my face. I'm going to go in with this, and this is, just says Pure Radiance. I'm hoping it doesn't cover everything up. See, it's still sealed. Oh, that looks dark. Look at that. That looks really dark. Might just go in with a little fluffy brush so I can really test. Okay, buff. So guys, that literally gives you a glow. A nice glow. Just don't go heavy-handed like I did. So my face is still tacky. It's not, certainly not dried down. I would honestly say this is more of a highlighter than a powder. So I feel like I've lost my bronzer now that that gold stuff has gone on. So I'm going to go in with this Cargo bronzer and just put a bit of extra bronzer. And I don't know whether I've used this one before, but because I've lost most of that, but I once put that powder on, I'm going in with a BECCA Opal, and I don't think I have because it doesn't look swatched or anything. Just on, just to give me a little bit more. Ting. Yeah, spray my face down, and this is the Body Shop Rose Dewy Glow, because this is just quite a dewy look. Oh, and that smells nice. So I've gone for quite a dewy look today. For my brows, I've got a mini gimme brow, and I'm just going to run that through my brows because it's as easy as that. Some days I haven't got a pencil, and I didn't really want to cheat by using a pencil, so it is a mini. And I have used this product before, but I always normally fill them in first with my pencil, and I thought this way, not this particular one, this is a new one, I can do it. So they're a little bit darker than I normally have them, but it will be the product. Hi, I've got 2 palettes. I class these as minis. This is the Totally Cute one from Too Faced. I've never used it. Is the cat eye one. That's what it looks like. So I think between the two of them I can get quite a reasonable eye look. I'm just going to point to the shades and do them because it's just going to be a quick, simple eye look. Ice Cream at the Cutie palette, and just putting that all over my lids. Then I'm going in with Bunny, this one just here, Bunny Foo Foo, and that's going to go in my crease. And I'm building it up as intensely as I would like it. Then I'm going to go into Chocolate Donut, which is this one here, on a smaller brush, and I'm just putting that on this part, as part of my eye. Just doing what I did on the opposite side, putting it on, and then taking a little bit of the Bunny Foo and just blending it. Then I'm going to take Shooting Star, which is like a highlight, and I'm going to put that on my brow arch, just to give it some pizzazz, but not as bright as that. So then I'm going to take Storm Cloud out of this one and just put this sort of in the middle of my eye. Oh, that's nice. And sort of transfer it into the brown. And just blending it so that it's not such a harsh cut up there. And this brush isn't even wet, guys. I'm just literally just packing it on. Just darkening this a bit more because I think it just needs to go back in with that orange shade just to sort of merge all the colours. I just love that. Just love how it's looking now. All dark and mysterious. On my inner part of my eye, I'm going to try Clover on the inner part of my eye, and we'll see. Again, going on beautifully. Again, I'm really taking myself out of my comfort zone here, guys. But I just think it's beautiful. I'm blending all them colours together. Oh, that is so nice. I haven't actually used the cat's eye palette, but I don't care. And then I'm going to take another little brush, and I'm just going to take that one that I used on my brow bone as my inner corner highlight. And then I'm just going to run that green and then the dark one. And then I'm going to go in with the brown to darken out the outer part. Blend them all. I like this palette. This is nice. And I love the look that I've created. They're just good. They really are. Now, I have used this in a recent video, but I've got It Cosmetic open, the Perversion open, which you've seen quite a few times on my channel. But this is the Roller Lash. I've only used it once and it's still a mini. I don't want to open another mini. That's just me being tight. Not that I like this mascara, but when you ain't got lashes anyway, doesn't matter. It already feels dried out. And I've only had it open a couple of weeks. So I'm taking this Tartest mini, and maybe it's going to work. I'll just at it. And a bit of this brown lime crime to make it a little bit darker. On top, I'm taking the Too Faced lip injection gloss once this dries down, and it's called Milkshake Brings All the Boys to the Yard. So, and I haven't used any of these. This will just give me a nice gloss. So guys, this is the finished look. I really like it. It's so out of my comfort zone. So out. But I really like it. It makes my blue eyes pop. I tell you, I'm impressed with myself. So guys, if you enjoyed this, using minis with me and the tutorial, absolutely any comments down below, would really appreciate it. Even if it's just a hi, so I know that you're about. And also, if there's any of these that you've tried and, you know, would recommend, I like them all. Not so, the foundation, not so much, but I am super shocked at how my eyes, I love my eyes. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial with all my minis, then don't forget, I'll be bringing another video out to you soon. And thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.